Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will briefly explain how to connect an external monitor to your Lenovo 14e. The easiest way is by using the built-in HDMI port. Just grab an HDMI cable, insert one end into your laptop and the other into the monitor. Make sure the monitor is also connected to a power supply. Once connected, you can adjust display settings on your Chromebook. By default, it will identify the external monitor as a second display. If you want to mirror your screen, open Settings from the Control Center, go to Device, then Display. If you have more than one display, you'll have arrangement options to align your monitors, and you can change the projection type from extended to mirrored. That's basically it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please subscribe, leave a like and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.